Okay, let's go check out these little birds. I hear the little birds peeping. Are they eating? Whoop, there goes the mommy. Can you see those little baby birds up there? Hello, little baby birds. Little baby birds. Can't really see them, can we? You see their little beaks up there? I don't want to get any closer because I don't want to scare them. Okay. Bye, little baby birds. And look, Clay, there's green grass. Green grass starting to come up. Starting to look good, huh? Isn't it pretty? You're going to be running around in these trees soon, in the woods here. And on this lawn, it's going to be a beautiful lawn. I love you, Clay, and I miss you. I miss you. It's Momo. Hi, Clay. I miss you so much, and I love you.